Imagine this. You wake up one morning, put your feet on the floor, and realize you can't stand without help. It doesn't happen all at once. Weakness creeps in slowly, silently. First, it's a little trouble getting out of the chair. Then the stairs feel steeper than they used to. And before you know it, you're relying on a walker. Not because of age alone, but because your legs simply can't carry you anymore. Here's the truth most people don't realize. Muscle weakness in old age is not inevitable. It's often a result of missing nutrients, deficiencies that rob your legs of the strength they still could have. Yes, even at 90. In this video, you'll discover the 5 essential vitamins your body needs to keep your legs strong, stable, and pain-free, even in your 80s, 90s, and beyond. Let's start by asking a simple question. Why do some people stay mobile well into their 90s, while others struggle in their 70s? It's not just about exercise or luck. In many cases, it's about cellular fuel. Your muscles, bones, and nerves need constant nourishment. Without the right nutrients, they shrink, fatigue, and eventually fail. Take Mrs. Eleanor, for example. She's 92, lives alone, walks every morning to the local bakery. No cane, no walker, just confidence. When asked her secret, she laughs and says, "I take my vitamins, dear." Was she joking? Not at all. Because what we're about to reveal are not magic pills, but well-documented science-backed vitamins that support muscle function, bone density, and nerve health. And if you're missing even one, you could be accelerating muscle loss without knowing it. So what are these vitamins and how do they work? Let's dive into the first one. Vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. And yet studies show that up to 80% of seniors are deficient in it. Vitamin D isn't just about bone strength. It plays a critical role in muscle contraction. Without it, your legs can feel heavy, unstable, or weak. It also supports balance, a huge factor in preventing falls. Low vitamin D levels are linked to frailty syndrome, a condition where your muscles and bones rapidly decline, leaving you vulnerable to injury. Imagine trying to stand on soft sand. That's how your body feels without enough vitamin D. If you get frequent muscle cramps, feel tired after walking short distances, or avoid the sun, you could already be low. But there's hope. Even moderate supplementation can reverse the damage. Just make sure to take it with vitamin K2, which helps direct calcium into the bones instead of your arteries. Now, what about energy? That brings us to the second powerhouse, vitamin B12. Think of B12 as the spark plug for your nervous system. It keeps your motor neurons firing, the very cells that send signals from your brain to your legs. Without B12, your legs can feel numb, tingly, or slow to react. You might shuffle instead of walk, trip on rugs, miss a step. It's not clumsiness, it's biology. Here's a story. Richard, 78, started having trouble going upstairs. His doctor tested his B12 levels. They were dangerously low. A few months after starting supplements, he wasn't running marathons, but he was walking confidently again. And that's the beauty of B12. It doesn't just boost your nerves. It also improves blood formation and oxygen transport, meaning your muscles get the fuel they need. But B12 absorption decreases with age. So if you're over 60, especially if you've taken Tacids or metformin, you may need a sublingual or injectable form. And speaking of oxygen, let's talk about vitamin C. You know it for immunity, but vitamin C is essential for collagen production, which keeps your muscles attached to your bones and your skin elastic. It also supports your blood vessels, making sure nutrients reach your legs efficiently. Older adults low in vitamin C often have slower wound healing, weaker connective tissues, and more bruising. But here's the hidden danger. Poor collagen means weaker muscle anchoring, and that leads to instability. Remember Margaret, 85, who broke her hip after a small fall? Doctors said her tissues were too fragile. She wasn't just unlucky, she was deficient. Adding more citrus fruits, bell peppers, or a simple supplement can be a game changer. But we're not done. Next up, vitamin E. Why? Because vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that protects your muscles from oxidative stress. Every time you move, especially as you age, your muscles produce free radicals. Without antioxidants, those radicals damage the muscle fibers and slow your recovery. If you feel sore for days after light activity, or if you're losing muscle mass despite eating well, oxidative stress could be to blame. Vitamin E also supports circulation, ensuring your legs stay warm, oxygenated, and energized. Now finally, the quiet hero, magnesium. Magnesium is involved in over 300 biological processes. It helps your muscles relax, prevents cramps, supports nerve function, and balances calcium. And yet more than 60% of adults over 70 are deficient. Low magnesium causes restless legs, twitching, and nighttime cramps that keep you from sleeping. Worse, it weakens your bones and can interfere with vitamin D activation. The good news? Magnesium is easy to add back through foods like leafy greens, nuts, and seeds, or with a gentle supplement before bed. So let's pause here. Now you know the 5 essential vitamins, D, B12, C, E, and magnesium. They sound simple, and they are, but the effects are profound. Two people, same age. One struggles to stand, the other still walks the beach every morning. The difference? Often it starts inside, with nutrients. So what can you do today? Get your levels tested, adjust your diet, talk to your doctor. Start small, but stay consistent. Your legs carry you through life. Let's make sure they stay strong until the very end. If this video helped you, share it with someone you care about. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content that empowers your health journey. Thank you for watching, and take good care of your incredible body. We'll see you